What's up, people? Here chilling at the house. You see the Civic looking good, cleaning it up a little bit, minor things. The Jeep looking good as well. You see that? All right, come through here, go to the garage. Sun's kind of bright that way, so keep moving. Up in the garage now. Gotta clean up some stuff, but it's getting there. It's getting there. And we'll get more on the Civic, what we're gonna be doing, future updates, all that stuff. So stay tuned. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share these videos, and check out my other videos as well. I got a whole bunch. Stay tuned. Here we go. So we're going to be talking more about the Civic, plans for it, because this is going to be the car for the build for the channel now. And then I'm still keep doing stuff to the CRV. That's Kenny's. But you'll get more into this. I got a lot of parts, been collecting, and got some future parts too as well. Maybe turbo, we'll see. Trying to keep the AC. So, big plans. Alright, what's up, people? Just spotted this as I was driving. Nice. I'll be giving the guy a call. See how much he wants for it. Needs a little bit of work, but man, it is pretty clean. Hard to see inside. Seats are there, all there. Little Sprinter, Corolla, standard too. Oh, y'all can see that. Yeah, there you go. Man, that off-white. Took a couple more pics of it. What's up, people? Jacob here again. Just wanted to make a video here of the plans for the Civic, what I've been doing. Well, I just went shopping at a local place here in Tampa, Enemy Creations. Awesome store. I ordered a bunch of stuff. I also purchased a bunch of stuff as well. I'm gonna show you a couple things right now that I got. And then, yeah, I'll be a lot of videos soon coming up of me putting all these parts on the Civic, redoing the Civic. We got a lot of work to do. I mean, the Civic's gonna get a total makeover. And when you see this car, you guys are gonna know. All right, so I'm gonna get into some of these parts. I still got a whole bunch of other parts as well. So let's get into the new parts I got right now. Then I'll be making, I'll probably add to this all the other parts that I got as well. All right, so I got the stuff laid out here. All right, so this is AEM, not knockoff. Let it focus in a little bit. There it is. AEM fuel pressure regulator. You see it there. Let me see. I'll show you. The box, official. You know, AM fuel pressure regulator for the AEM fuel rail, high flow fuel rail. Here, there it is, right there. Bam! Look at that. B16, B18, and then got the cam gears, VMS, 5-bolt. They don't loosen up. Got these. These are official too. There it is. Bam. Yes, I got these as well. I got these True Heart rear lower control arms. Got those. And I got the Blackworks Racing subframe brace. And then you see there, K-tuned, turn down muffler. Oh, beauty. All right, so yeah, this is just some of the parts that I purchased, and then I got a bunch of other stuff that I ordered, and I got a whole bunch of other parts as well that I got for the Civic too. So yeah, stay tuned. Whole lot of stuff's coming up with the Civic. Again, another video. This one today is going to be about installing an alarm system. Well, car alarm system. Yeah, I had ordered this from eBay a little while ago, but been meaning to put it in, so I ended up putting it in the Civic. Now you gotta remember, alarm system is just a theft deterrent. I mean, if they really want to take your car, they're gonna get it, but you know, this is just one of those things that helps them to go on to the next one, you know. So this car did have an alarm in it previously, but it wasn't working, so I already started cutting it out, so I'm just going to show you that real quick, and then we'll get putting this in. It's not really that hard. For me, it's not going to be that bad, because like I said, this already had an alarm, so I'm going to connect to some of the existing stuff that they already had ran. But and I also do like a starter kill on it too as well. So we'll get into that. Stay tuned. This is the old alarm. And the shock sensor here. Looks like a dual stage one. Yeah, it's got 2 knobs on it. And the alarm, I don't know what name brand this was. It was all hacked up into there, but no. It had some connectors and stuff, so I'm not gonna go all crazy here. I mean, because every car is gonna be different where you would tie into the wiring and whatnot, but these wires here are the starter ones. You can see it went here, black with white, and they cut it, so it just interrupts the starter. I gotta see what the hell that is. This is the ground. It's black. The brown one is the siren that was already in the car. White is switched ignition, and then I think this one is the lights, and this was the door pin. So I'll get checking this out and see what's going on. All right, with the car alarm, I pulled my radio out. I was doing something else there, but now this is the installation circuit diagram. You'll turn into the instructions. to go to this page. Now, there'll be a lot of functions that the alarm can do that you might not need, or you're not willing to hook up right now. But yeah, so what I do is I went through the harness. I taped up all the wires that I wasn't gonna use, and then I just used a little thing and put it there. And then I got the brown wire for the siren, green for negative door pin, and then in this harness here, black for ground, red for power, yellow for constant power, and the white is for the light flash. And then we got this is the shock sensor, single stage with the connector on it. It's got 3 wires. Yeah. So, and then this is the starter interrupt relay, which I will be wiring in. I'll show you guys this. This just those 2. Well, you see here. I figured out what that red wire was. Because the other alarm wasn't working, somebody ran a wire, connected it right here, and ran it to the starter direct. So I just eliminated that, because if I connect these together, it does start up. So these, you see the 2 greens, and then 1 wire goes to power, and the other one goes to the alarm, because when the alarm grounds it out, activates the relay, and it doesn't allow it to start. And then when you disarm the alarm, then it allows it to start. And like I said, yeah, so forth. So just gotta make sure the starter one was black. Yeah, so it does have a lot of functions to it. So, yeah. So I'll get started on this and continue on and show you what I'm doing. And I got my little assortment of connectors and stuff. Do my connections. Okay, for the, like I said, the starter interrupt. Now, some people will want to do ignition interrupt. I don't recommend that, because you know, you're driving on the road, and if it does arm itself, if something happens, it can turn the car off, which is not a good situation. So it's good to do a starter interrupt. I mean, yes, my car's standard, and it could push start it or something like that, but you know, like I said, it's a theft deterrent. So okay, here's the relay now. So the way I wired up the relay, this is I got terminals 30 and 86. They're both together. So when the ignition power comes through, or the start signal goes through, powering up, it would actually power the relay, and that's where the relay is going to get its power, because the alarm grounds it. See, when you look here, you can see, yeah, see it there, 86 and 30. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah. So, and then the other wire goes to the other side, and then this one goes to the alarm, orange. So get crimping this in and continue on. All right, so you see it, black and white, 2 green wires, like I said, in through relay. So, and then this one goes to the starter, I mean the alarm, orange wire, like so. But right now, if I tried, don't start. In my car, you don't have to push the clutch in, so yeah. But right now, if I take this and I ground it, let's just show you. Twist this wire real quick. Yeah, I take this. It's kind of hard to show you guys here. Hold on. All right, hold on, let me just get that one wire I'll ground it there real quick and you'll see it turn on. Hold on. All right, so you see here, I just hooked it up to the one. This is ground. It goes right up to this little screw right there. So now, with the relay grounded, it still doesn't start. Let me see what's going again. Well, now I figured out the original wire. Somehow there's something going on between here and the starter terminal. So what I did was I just ran a new wire, nice 14 gauge, straight to the starter terminal that turns it on, and I did it that way. So it's now hooked up. I crimped it here, and it's one connection up there where it's one crimp. So now you can see the car start up, and if the alarm grounds the relay, let me hook this up. A little difficult trying to do this one-handed. Come on, twist. This one for now. My hands are a little greasy because I was worried about the starter and whatnot. Alright, sorry about that. Oh, okay. So yeah, so I hooked up the white wire to ground, which that'll hook up to the alarm. And now it don't start. You disconnect it. It starts up. Alright, so that's the starter kill so far. And I'll start hooking up the rest. Alright, so people, so right now I'm getting my constant power from the white wire that goes to the ignition switch. Then the red wire for switch ignition is on the black with yellow. You see it there. And then the light circuit for the flash the lights is on the second terminal from the relay. And then the ground, I just crimped it to there. Now, I know some of y'all are gonna say, oh, why are you using crimp connectors? Why don't you use solder and all that stuff? Well, these are the new style ones. These are heat shrink, right? But also in the center, there is solder in the center. So when you heat up the heat shrink, it melts that solder and connects it. So it makes a solid connection. Very nice. They're a little bit more pricey, but a lot easier than heating up a soldering iron and waiting for it to heat up, tinning it on the tip, and then heating it to solder, and you're such a tight spot, and then burn yourself and all that, and then you get solder clumps and you burn your carpet and whatnot. So these are real nice, these connectors. So right now all I got left is hook up the wire for the siren and the wire to the relay, and we should be pretty close to be able to use it. And then I'll zip tie all this up real nice and clean this up way better and hide the brain of the alarm up in the dash area. So get on that now. All right, so I have to finish up the alarm install, you know, so that's like kind of like part one there, but I had to do some running around, but I'll finish it up later. I'll show you guys. I did zip tie it all up and put it all in, and then I'll show you the function, what it does, and what I'm planning to do with it, with the alarm and everything. And but just want to throw this clip in here now, show you something real cool, since I'm right around the corner from it. I'm at the gas station, so I'm gonna start this video here. But like I said before, please like, comment, and subscribe, ring the bell. So let's enjoy, people. All right, keep subscribing. All right, what's up, people? Just thought I'd show you this since I was here getting some gas. So I thought I'd vlog this real quick. I've been meaning to stop, check it out. Now, this place is closed right now, but we're gonna see what's up in here. All right, stay with me for this adventure. Just a short little hike over here. All right. see. Pretty busy road. Alright. Let's see. I don't know if it's trespassing or not, but let's just look at it real quick. Let's see. Where are we at? Right here. Got a Porsche right there. And you see up here, taking you guys for a little walk. You can see what's in the windows. Get a little more close up of that in a bit, but guessed it. This is some exotic Tampa Bay. Right there. Oh, you got a glimpse of it. Palm trees in the way. Yeah, right there, people. Ferrari. So, come through. Well, I can see through the windows. Take a little scope of it. Check out what's inside. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna check that out. I'll show y'all this. All right. All right, you see this, baby. Look at this. I can't even say homeboy's name that's on the car. Look at this. That's Uzi wheel. Yo, this is a pure race car right there. Ferrari. Look at the toolbox and everything. All right. So, and I come by this place often, so I thought, might as well get a couple thumbnails. Clickbait. Ah, yeah. I'm buying a Porsche.